Hey, this is Silent Solution. Today we're fixed how to MySQL database problem. This is an unknown error. SQL database. This is a SQL database related issues. Let's go. We are access our DB. Access. Yeah, I think your password is mismatched. That's why you are not logging. Where local. Let's go. Now create a database SSL. Create our SSL database. Create is done. Now import our database. Our database import is done. Yeah. Tables. Now, yeah, I think our database is working. Thanks for watching. This is my silent solution. Have relax. DevOps related many video you can see. I think many idea and your DevOps career path. Thanks for watching.